Hello. Before we add stuff into the project and start with the file structure, I want to create a world that we're going to operate in. Empty level, show you how to create an empty level. Don't save this level. Go to the shapes panel. We just need a cube. There's nothing else in here. Details, I like to set it to 0, 0, 0. Keep it referenced to 0. Scale, I like 100 by 100. In the Z dimension, I keep it 1, so the plane stays thin. So there's not a lot of used up memory in stuff that we don't see or use. I want to put a player start. Oops. If you go to cube and double click in your world outliner, you kind of zoom to things. You can also press F. So we need lights. Get a directional light. There's nothing around. You might say, well, why don't I use this basic level? There's earth and everything. In the basic level, the ground is called floor, and if you duplicate floor, it will give you errors when you make your map. So I come in here and I make my floor out of a cube, so that if I duplicate cube and make walls out of it, that it accepts that I've created my world out of this cube instead of accidentally making it out of a template map, which isn't supposed to be used to duplicate into an opening map or anything, but it's just a platform to demo on. And in one of these, I might even expand this into a map and practice map making or build a cool map for any reason. So let's go to visual effects, add a sky atmosphere. We have that here, so there's blank space below. Let's add volumetric clouds. Now that's a pretty sky, and then exponential height fog kind of fills in the bottom there. If we press start, we'll start this player start, but we're a floating pawn. We're an observer. We're not. We're a floating pawn. So one thing we want to do with settings is go to new editor window pi. That makes it pop out. So we're not in the viewport. My escape key doesn't work, so excuse me. Getting a new computer soon. Had this one for 4 or 5 years, I forget. So we've got this world here. And we'll leave it like this. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.